What's good, people? Something a bit different. We're gonna do a lace swap. So as you can see, I've got the 1906R Cordura, however you say it. This is with the lace swap. This is the factory laces, which I don't really like. So I'm just gonna kind of show you lot how to switch them. And the lace I've got is like a kind of oval type lace. It's like it would be flat, but it's just got like puffing in it, so they call it like an oval lace, which I really like. I think they go really well, and even the colour's really nice on them. Because these laces were a bit bland and boring. So step one is obviously remove the laces. Don't watch the socks. Remove the laces. Very simple. Very simple step. And now you're starting fresh, so throw those laces. You will have to measure the laces. I'll put the measurement in if I can remember what it is. I'll be honest, I'll find out, because I bought these ones after measuring those ones that I've thrown to the side. Then how to start it up: stick the lace through. Because it's oval, you will have to kind of like make sure it is, you know, straight kind of. Then at the end you obviously hold it like this just to make sure it is level, so that is nice and level. And then the first bit, as you can see, it goes around and under. So we go straight around, under, and then stick it in, not the first hole but the second one. Keep that nice and flat, just going through. Don't pull them too much straight away. And then we've got the next one around, first hole straight through. When you go straight through, second hole, nice and easy. And then it's still level. And then the next one, what do we have? We've got a loop. So very easy. You put it through the loop, you pull it right there, and it's at the top of the loop. Then the next one, same thing, through the loop. So the loop is very easy to do. You just have to make sure you keep them like, make them straight once you thread them through. Like this one's not gone straight, so you just have to twist it a bit so it is done proper. And we've got the next one, again, nicely through the loop. So we've got them. Once it goes through the loop, we have to stick it in through here, and then straight through here somewhere. Boom. Then again across and into the next hole. And then the final hole at the top. I don't lace them all the way to here. I'm not sure who does. I personally do not. Sometimes I lace them just up to here. For this video, I'll lace them just kind of to the top so you can see what they look like. Boom. Some people want to wear them kind of loose. I'll wear them like in the middle. Bang. Lace them up. And done. Lace swap complete. We haven't got the old laces in. Nice new grey laces. Give the shoe a bit more of a pop now. And you can see how good they look. But yeah, just a quick, or actually quite long, shoe lacing tutorial on the 1906R. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.